Computer, so welcome to Unit 3, Week 4, Day 4. Listen as I say the name of each photo. Nose, rope. I hear the same middle sound. Nose, rope. The same middle sound is O. Tell me the middle sound you hear. Boat, O. Phone, O. Coin, cent, let's see. Dime, I. Leaf, E. Mule, U. Rake, A. Q. U. Gate, A. Goat, O. Feet, E. Kite, I. Rose, O. Okay, this is review. So these are called, this is a bit of a review, but it's actually not because we're combining days. So these are, some of these are compound words, but they are, they have two syllables. So dislike. If you dislike something, that means you don't like it. This is a compound word. Sun, rise. Here's another compound word. 3, 2, 1. Cup, cake. Another compound word. 3, 2, 1. Bath, robe. This is not a compound word. Explode. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Compound word. 3, 2, 1. On stage. Compound word. 3, 2, 1. Awake. Compound word. 3, 2, 1. Bed, time. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Complete. Okay. So let's look at these sounds. 3, 2, 1. Or 3, 2, 1. E. 3, 2, 1. Qu. 3, 2, 1. O. 3, 2, 1. U. 3, 2, 1. St. 3, 2, 1. A. A. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. Okay, we'll do a few together, then you can do the rest. Ease. Word, these. 3, 2, 1. Homes. So there still are O. Okay, use, used. Word, used. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Bone. Let's sound it out. Stone. Good job. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Hole. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Cut. 3, 2, 1. Cute. See how the U blank E changes it? 3, 2, 1. Rod. 3, 2, 1. Road. The E tickles the O to say its own name. O. So a lot of these have our super E. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Chose. And last part here. 3, 2, 1. Choke. Okay, here are a few, and we are going to, they just did not transfer neatly. So let's skip over here. Let's read this. Steve smells up. 1 second, sorry. Okay. Steve smells a rose with his nose, just like we do. Okay, we have our period, we have our capital. Okay. This cute home can use a new stove. We have our period. I'm just telling you something, and our capital. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. These, change the E to O. Those, change the V to Ch. Chose, change the S to K. Choke, change the Ch to Br. Broke, change the Br to P. Poke, change the K to O. Pole, change the P to Roll, change the to H. Hole, change the H to Mole, change the O to U. Yule, mule, change the O to T. Ute. Okay, cute, change the T to B. Cube. And that's all for that part. Here are our high frequency words. Ago, 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 ago. The lake froze 5 days ago. Boy, 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 boy. Pete is a nice boy. Girl, 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 girl. A new girl is in the class. How, 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 how. How will you get home? Old, 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 old. The bridge is old. People, 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 people. People like those games. Okay, you're gonna go first, then we'll do it together. Together, that old globe. Here are some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Old. 3, 2, 1. Said. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Looked. 3, 2, 1. There. 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. People. 3, 2, 1. Boy. 3, 2, 1. Girl. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay, so I'll let you go first, and then we'll do it together. Together, that old globe. And the globe is another name for the world. And a globe is 3D, so it looks like a sphere. Okay, I see E, long E, old, that's a sight word. Ago.
Alyssa Jorgensen comes to the front office to meet your mom. Alyssa Jorgensen to the front office, please. Thank you.
We have a lot of long E's. Super E's. Okay, your turn first. Together, Eve and Pete like old things from long ago. This time, Pete had an old globe. Eve said, let's use this. Okay. I see E, O, O, E, O, and I. Okay, your turn first, then we'll read it together. Together, Eve spun that globe, and they did not end up at home. Pete looked at, and there was a note. It was a time in the past. It says 1801. That's a long time ago. Okay, let's look for our patterns. E, E. Oh, there's huge. We know that. Sneaky C. E, E. People, sight word. U, and O. Okay, your turn first, then we'll do it together. Together, Eve and Pete land in a huge place with lots of crops. Crops are things that we grow and then eat. Eve said these people use a mule. It is not like at home. Okay, your turn. Let's look at our patterns. There's just E, A. Oh, there's boy and girl. O, and E. Okay, your turn first. Together, in a lodge, Pete said, how can they make things to eat? This boy and girl get it from the pot on that stove, said Eve. Okay, last page for this part. Your turn. First we'll do patterns. E, O, E, E, O, I. Okay, your turn. Together, Eve spun the globe again. Eve and Pete came back home. They said the past is not like now, but it was fun. Okay, friends, so we are talking about CVC syllables. So, words are made up of shorter parts called syllables, and one vowel is in each syllable. When we have A blank E, U blank E, I blank E, O blank E, or E blank E, that counts as one vowel because the E does not say anything. It's just the A, U, I, O, or E. Okay, so update. Okay, one more time. Update. Update. So we're going to break it here. And you'll notice there's one vowel there, and A says A. This is silent. Sunshine. Sunshine. That's a compound word. There's one sound. And then we have the I blank E. This is silent. I says its name. Awoke. Awoke. So we have that's one sound. And then O, remember the E is silent. Okay. Let's do excite. Excite. Break it apart. And then I, silent E. Escape. Escape. Break it there. And A. E is silent. But this does say A. It says its name. Reptile. Reptile. Okay, so we have our E, and we have an I, and we cross off. The E is silent. Hopeful. Hopeful. Break that down the middle. We have O, because the E is silent, and U. And hopeful. Oh. Okay, so we've been talking about the verbs is and are this week, and we use is and are when something is happening right now. We use is when it's one noun. We use are when it's more than one noun. So I'm going to read this and give you 3 seconds to choose is or are. Grace blank singing a song. Is it is or are? If you said is, way to go. Grace is, because Grace is only one noun. The birds blank in a cage. Think in your head. Is or are? If you said are, you are correct, because there's more than one bird or noun. Last one. The girls blank sliding on ice. Is or are? Think in your head. The answer would be are, because girls is more than one noun, so more than one person or thing. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.